Living on borrowed time, unraveling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase, on borrowed time. This expression is rich in meaning and often appears in literature, movies, and everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and its origins. So, let's get started. The phrase, on borrowed time, refers to a situation where someone or something continues to exist or operate in a temporary state, especially after surpassing an expected point of failure, end, or demise. It often implies that this extension is unexpected and can be taken away at any moment. For example, if someone has a disease and they live longer than doctors predicted, they are said to be living on borrowed time. The origins of the phrase, on borrowed time, are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have literary roots. It encapsulates the idea that time is a loan and, like all loans, it must eventually be repaid. This metaphorical concept has been used throughout history to underscore the fragility of life and the impermanence of our existence. Now, let's look at how to incorporate on borrowed time into your everyday language. Here are a few examples. 1. After the diagnosis, he made a miraculous recovery, but we knew he was living on borrowed time. 2. The old tree, struck by lightning yet still standing, is on borrowed time. 3. This ancient phone of mine is on borrowed time. I'll need a new one soon. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. In literature and media, on borrowed time is a powerful tool to create tension, develop character arcs, or highlight the theme of mortality. It reminds audiences of the transient nature of life and the importance of cherishing every moment. Characters living on borrowed time often face their situations with a mixture of courage, despair, and reflection, making for compelling narratives. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, on borrowed time. We've seen what it means, where it comes from, how to use it, and its significance in storytelling. Remember, this phrase is a beautiful reminder of life's impermanence and the value of the time we have. We hope this video has been informative and enlightening. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.